Few things can be more frustrating than your car breaking down, especially during a vacation or a trip. Now, we hope that you love the car that you have, and if you don't, come in and we'll get you set straight. Having said that, when you love your car, you're gonna take care of it. And at Tim Dahle, we're gonna help you do both. Prior to going on any road trip, you usually make a list and pack those things that are most important. You pack your kids, you pack your lunch, you pack the dog, you pack the coupons, but did you pause to consider how important it is to get the car serviced before going? This is Travis with Tim Dahle. I'm here to remind you that the most important thing to do prior to going on any road trip is to have your car serviced. Why? Because it's much better to have your car serviced than to sit stranded at the Chuck E. Cheese for 8 hours. Prior to leaving on your road trip or vacation this summer, bring your car into any Tim Dahle location, and we're going to make sure that your car is ready to go. Now, I know that I've said that when you're at Tim Dahle, you're considered family, but we truly believe in taking care of you, our customer, as if you were our family. And as such, we are reminding you to have your car serviced prior to setting out on your journey. Now, we can't guarantee you how many bathroom breaks you're going to need to take between here and St. George. But what we can guarantee is that when you bring your car into any of the Tim Dahle locations, we're going to take care of your car as if it were our own, so that you can have the vacation or the road trip that you deserve. Now, there are some of you who may not think that regular car maintenance is all that important, or that you have your reasons for not bringing your car in. And all that I can say about that is that when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And why would anyone plan on spending their vacation in the parking lot of the Chuck E. Cheese? So get up and pack those Clorox wipes, get your car serviced, and review your social distancing handbook. You're going on a road trip, and you're going to get there just fine. Why? Because you had your car serviced at Tim Dahle. Tim Dahle Automotive Group, the one place to go before you go anywhere.